Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. In this video, we will show you how to use the Poinsettia plants to decorate your home for the holiday season. From the centerpieces to the wreath to the mantle display, we have got a lot of inspiration for you. So let's get started. In this video, we discuss about and you can see that different amazing ideas how to keep the poinsettia looking good longer in home. And second thing is how to decorate home with the poinsettia plants at Christmas. Let's start it. Poinsettia plants actually are a classic symbols of the holiday season. They are easy to care for and come in a variety of colors, making them perfect for any decor style. First up, we have a die poinsettia centerpieces. This centerpiece is easy to make using a simple wooden box, some floral foam, and a few poinsettia plants, and some pines, cones, and the barriers and other festive elements to complete the look. Next, we have the poinsettia wreath. This wreath is made using a poinsettia bract and can be hung on your front door or used as a wall decorations, and some ribbons and other things to make it your own. If you are looking for something a little more unique, check out this poinsettia trophy. Actually, in this video, how to keep the poinsettia looking good longer in home. Place the poinsettia in a bright and the indirect light and away from the direct sunlight. Poinsettia prefer a temperature of around 30 to 15 centigrades. Water the plant sparingly when the surface of the compost has started to dry out, and mist is the leaf and the brackets regularly to increase the humidity and keep the colorful bracts looking their best for longer. Feed your poinsettia monthly with a high protein liquid feeds such as tomato feeds after Christmas. With these tips, you can keep your poinsettia looking beautiful throughout the years and even encourage the red bracts and flowers to form in time for the following this. And second thing is how to decorate home with the poinsettia plants at Christmas. They create a festive centerpieces by placing a poinsettia plants in a decorative ceramic and the containers and adding a rapid Christmas present and a few colorful ornaments from the tree. Display the poinsettia on the stairs in a simple woven basket to create a colorful holiday display. To up the festive look and the bright red ball ornament, cut branches and the simple hurricanes candles holders you can apply. Grow the poinsettia in a gleaming golden vases and the container for a beautiful look. You can also mix the different colors poinsettia to introduce combinations of hues. Yeah, you can see that different amazing thing. If you're looking for something a little more unique, check out this poinsettia trophy from the better better homes and gardens. This topically is made using a poinsettia